In this video, I want to go over the U.S. Customary System, which is the system of measures that's used in the United States, or commonly used in the United States. Maybe not in science, but in our everyday environment. Okay? So the first measurement or base unit I want to talk about is going to be the volume, units of volume here. Okay? So you're going to have to memorize this, and this is the chart that I want you to memorize right here. Okay? We're going to fill this in, and it just goes 3, 16, 2, 2, 4. So there are 3 teaspoons. Okay, so TSP is teaspoons in 1 tablespoon. Okay, going down, there are 16 tablespoons in 1 cup. Okay, and I also put here that, and I could have put it anywhere, but 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. I just put it here. You are going to have to know that 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. I also want to make note that this is 8 fluid ounces. It's a unit of volume. Do not get it confused with ounces that are used as a measure of mass. Okay? That relationship came about where, fluid ounces and ounces is that 1 fluid ounce of water weighs 1 ounce. Okay, so that's where that relationship comes from. But if you're not talking about water, if you're talking about something else, it's not going to be the same. Okay, so with water it happens to be, but with nothing else. Okay. Next is there are 2 cups in 1 pint. 2 cups in 1 pint. There are 2 pints in 1 quart. And there are 4 quarts in a gallon. Quart is it's Latin for 4, like a quartic equation. And 4 is the number of quarts in a gallon. Okay, now on to conversion to the metric system. So here I have, if you're just talking to somebody or trying to make a good estimation about something, converting it from the U.S. customary to the metric system, a good thing to do that you could possibly do in your head is the fact that 1 quart is approximately 1 liter. Okay? A liter is actually a little bit bigger. Okay? 1 quart is actually 946 milliliters. Or it's approximately, it's a little bit, this is more accurate, but it's not, there's a decimal and some numbers behind it. But 1 quart is approximately 946 milliliters. And this is the unit that, or this is the conversion that I'd like you to use when we are doing our unit conversion problems. Okay, is 1 quart is approximately equivalent to 946 milliliters. So it's almost a liter. Okay, 1 quart is approximately a liter. Let's talk about length now. Okay, so these are the 3 that I want you to memorize. You probably already have them memorized, but just in case. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. And there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Okay? As far as conversion to the metric system goes, these are the 2 I want you to memorize. I really want you to use 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. That's a little bit more accurate. A yard is not exactly a meter, but I think that's a really convenient one to use if you're really estimating. But if you're doing your unit conversions, I want you to use a slightly more accurate one. Maybe that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. But this is a good, 1 yard is approximately equal to 1 meter is a good estimation. I mean, the way I think about it is you have yardsticks and meter sticks, and they're both approximately the same length. Okay? So that's what I want you to memorize as far as length goes. Now on to mass. Okay? So on to mass. Okay, so I just want to make clear that in the U.S. we use the Avoirdupois system. Okay, so there's other things like you hear troy ounces and things like that when you're dealing with gold. Okay, when we're talking about the U.S. Customary System and just what we're going to use on a daily basis, it's this Avoirdupois system, and that defines a pound as 16 ounces. Okay, and that's all I want you to remember is that 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. All right? And as far as the conversion from U.S. customary to metric, I want to use this. This is an approximation as well, but 2.2 pounds is approximately equivalent to 1 kilogram. Okay, that's an important one. All right, 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, thank you.